Oh, hi there, Middlebury student. What's happening? Oh, citation troubles. Great, citation questions are my favorite. First things first. A lot of students think of citation as this highly structured black and white system that they have to use to make their professors happy. In reality, though, citation isn't quite so rigid. Let's think about our objective. What is it we're really trying to do when we cite our sources? Okay, yes, we're trying to avoid getting in trouble for plagiarism. But more than that, we're trying to make it easy for our readers to find our sources. Maybe they want to check the context of something we cited, or maybe they want to use that source themselves. Regardless, a citation is a way to make it simple for the reader to go and read what we were reading when we were doing our research. So as long as you're giving the reader enough information to go find your source, you're basically doing it right. The rest of it's just details. How do you know when to cite something? Well, any idea or fact that you take from somewhere else, you should cite. Citation gives you scholarly credibility and demonstrates how you know what you know. There are some exceptions. Anything that you could reasonably expect anyone to know, like Barack Obama is a former president of the United States. You don't need to cite. We call that common knowledge. But if you're ever in doubt about whether something is common knowledge or not, it's probably better to cite it. Or come ask a librarian for advice. Before you start, there's one important thing you'll need to know. What style should you use? There are a lot of different styles for citation, but some common ones are MLA, APA, and Chicago Turabian. Students in STEM fields may see some different ones. Your professor should be able to tell you what style they prefer. If they don't state a preference, the most important thing is that whatever you choose, stay consistent. There are also lots of tools to help you organize your research and create citations and bibliographies more easily. Here at Middlebury, we recommend Zotero, but there are lots of other options. You can learn more about Zotero by talking to a librarian or going to go/Zotero guide. Most library platforms will also produce a citation for you in any of the most common styles. How do citations even work anyway? No matter what style you're using, citations generally have a lot of the same parts. The name of the author, or the entity responsible for the content of the item, the title of the specific item you're citing, the name of the publisher, if the item is a book or film or other single work, the title of the container of the item, if there is one, for example, the name of the journal or newspaper or anthology you found the item in, the volume and issue number, if the item is any kind of periodical, the date the item was published, and the exact location of what you're citing, which could be page numbers, a URL, an archival location, or something else. If you think about it, if you took any of these pieces of information away, the reader would have trouble finding the item. Each piece provides a necessary piece of information to help the reader find the item easily. Sometimes it still won't be clear how to structure your citation. In those cases, try the citation guide first to find answers to the most frequently asked citation questions. The Davis and Armstrong libraries also have in-depth guides to the most common citation styles, which can provide more detailed guidance. And of course, the Middlebury College librarians are always happy to help you solve even the most complicated citation conundrum. Come talk to us at the research desk, or via go/AskUs anytime you have a question about citation or any other aspect of research. Wow, you got your bibliography done already? See, with the right tools and some basic knowledge, handling citations becomes easy and stress-free. Good work, Middlebury student.